Continuing the problems on cosine rule, projection formulae. See here, in triangle ABC, show that 2 sigma BC cos A is equal to sigma A square. Left hand side, 2 sigma BC cos A. I want to make full use of sigma, please concentrate. Cos A, we have a formula, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Cos A, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. This 2bc will cancel, leaving only b square plus c square minus a square. Operate sigma, sigma b square, sigma c square minus sigma a square. And you know sigma a square is a square plus b square plus c square. Sigma b square also is same, b square plus c square plus a square. And sigma c square too is same, c square plus a square plus b square. This has been discussed earlier also. Sigma a square, sigma b square, sigma c square all mean the same. So I am replacing all by sigma a square. After the cancellation of these two, you have only sigma a square left here, which is my right hand side to be proved. Solving one more question, please see. Show in triangle ABC that b minus c whole square cos square a by 2, b plus c whole square sin square a by 2 is equal to a square. B minus c whole square cos square a by 2 plus b plus c whole square sin square a by 2 is equal to a square. We are going to prove. Left hand side, b minus c whole square cos square a by 2, b plus c whole square sin square a by 2. Watch carefully the work. Expand b square, b minus c whole square, b square plus c square minus 2bc cos square a by 2. b plus c whole square, similarly b square plus c square plus 2bc sin square a by 2. See once again, b minus c whole square expanded, b plus c whole square also expanded. I am fully expanding now. Please see this expansion. b square plus c square into cos square a by 2 minus 2bc into cos square a by 2. Understand fully well the work done. B square plus c square cos square a by 2, 2bc cos square a by 2. Similarly again, b square plus c square sin square a by 2 plus 2bc sin square a by 2. Explaining once again, listen carefully. B square plus c square into cos square a by 2 minus 2bc into cos square a by 2, b square plus c square into sin square a by 2, 2bc into sin square a by 2. I am going to rearrange. b square plus c square is common in these two. B square plus c square cos square a by 2, b square plus c square sin square a by 2. So, b square plus c square is common. Cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. B square plus c square cos square a by 2, b square plus c square sin square a by 2, b square plus c square is common, cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. Similarly, the other part, 2bc is common, rather minus 2bc is common in these two. After taking minus 2bc common, you have cos square a by 2 and this will become minus because you have taken minus common, minus 2bc common, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. I want to proceed. Cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2 is equal to 1. B square plus c square into 1, 2bc. There is a formula, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 is cos a. I will quote the formula here. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 is equal to cos theta. This formula of multiples of multiple angles has been used. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 is cos theta. So, this is 2bc cos a. B square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. B square plus c square minus 2bc cos a, and you know this is a square. There is a formula, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. That formula also I will quote here. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Though not necessary, I have quoted the formula. B square plus c square minus 2bc cos a is a square. So, a square, your right hand side is a square. Another question, what is given? B plus C, C plus A plus B is 11 is to 12 is to 13. I am rewriting, please see. B plus C by 11, C plus A by 12, A plus B by 13. That is B plus C is to C plus A is to A plus B, 11 is to 12 is to 13 is equal to some lambda. Suppose B plus C by 11, C plus A by 12, A plus B by 13 is equal to lambda, I am supposing. Therefore, B plus C is equal to 11 lambda, C plus A is equal to 12 lambda, A plus B is equal to 13 lambda. B plus C is equal to 11 lambda, C plus A is equal to 12 lambda, A plus B is equal to 13 lambda. Adding all these, B plus C, C plus A plus B, B plus C, C plus A plus B is equal to 11 lambda plus 12 lambda plus 13 lambda. This is B plus C, C plus A plus B is 2 times A plus B plus C. 2A, 2B, 2C, 2 times A plus B plus C is equal to 36 lambda. 11 plus 12 plus 13 is 36 lambda. Therefore, a plus b plus c becomes 18 lambda, 36 lambda by 2. I will write, no problem, is equal to 18 lambda. A plus b plus c is equal to 18 lambda. Now, please see here once again, a plus b, b plus c is 11 lambda. I am substituting here. A plus b plus c is 18 lambda, b plus c is 11 lambda. I am substituting here. This will give you a is equal to 7 lambda. Please understand. A plus b plus c is 36 lambda by 2, that is 18 lambda. This will become a plus b plus c is 11 lambda, substituted here 18 lambda, a is equal to 7 lambda. Proceed. C plus a is equal to 12 lambda. Please see. Since c plus a is 12 lambda, therefore c plus 7 lambda is equal to 12 lambda. C plus a is 12 lambda, value of a is 7 lambda, substituting here c plus 12 lambda, 7 lambda is equal to 12 lambda, or c is equal to 5 lambda. Once again, quickly, b plus c plus c plus a plus b is 2 times a plus b plus c is equal to 36 lambda. A plus b plus c is 36 lambda by 2, that is 18 lambda. A plus b plus c is 11 lambda, substituted here, giving you a is equal to 18 minus 11, 7 lambda. C plus a is 12 lambda, value of a 7 lambda, substituted here, c plus 7 lambda is equal to 12 lambda, or c is equal to 5 lambda, 12 minus 7. Lastly, a plus b is equal to 13 lambda. Value of a you already know, 7 lambda, please substitute here. A plus b is 13 lambda, a is 7 lambda, substituted, plus b. So, b is equal to 6 lambda. So, I have a is equal to 7 lambda, c is equal to 5 lambda, b is equal to 6 lambda. What is required? Cos a is to cos b is to cos c. Let us go for cos a. Formula is b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Keep watching attentively. Cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Values are all here. B is 6 lambda, c is 5 lambda, a is 7 lambda. Substituting. B is 6 lambda, c is 5 lambda, a is 7 lambda, divided by 2bc. To BC. 36 lambda square, 25 lambda square, 49 lambda square common, 36 plus 25 minus 49 lambda square. What's the numerator? 6 lambda square, 36 lambda square, 5 lambda square, 25 lambda square, 7 lambda square, 49 lambda square, and here multiply all this 60 lambda square. 2 into 6 into 5 is 60 lambda square. So, cos A is equal to, watch carefully, 36 plus 25 minus 49, this will give you 61 minus 49, that is 12 by 60 or 1 by 5. Understand very carefully, 36 plus 25, 61 minus 49 is 12 by 60, 1 by 4, cos A is 1 by 4. I am going for cos B now. Similarly, formula c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca, c square 5 lambda square, a square 7 lambda square, b square 6 lambda square. divided by 2 into 5 lambda into 7 lambda. Please watch substitutions carefully. C is equal to 5 lambda substituted here, A is equal to 7 lambda substituted here, B is equal to 6 lambda substituted here. As before, this is 25, this is 49, this is 36 lambda square. Check up the work once again. 25 lambda square, 49 lambda square, 36 lambda square divided by, this comes to 70 lambda square. So cos B is equal to 25 plus 49 minus 36, this will give you 38 by 70 or 19 by 35. Cos B, C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA, values substituted. Cos B is equal to 19 by 35. Cos A we have already found out. Going to find cos C now using the formula. Cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. A is 7 lambda, B is 6 lambda, C is 5 lambda. A is 7 lambda, B is 6 lambda, minus 5 lambda square divided by 2 times 7 lambda into 6 lambda. Values of A, B, C are substituted. A is equal to 7 lambda, B is equal to 6 lambda, C is equal to 5 lambda. So 7 lambda whole square, 6 lambda whole square minus 5 lambda whole square. As before, this is 49, this is 36, this is 25 lambda square, and this comes to 84 lambda square. 49 plus 36 minus 25, that is lambda square by 84 lambda square. That means cos C is equal to, this is 49 plus 36, 85 minus 25, 60 by 84. Lambda square cancelled, 60 by 84, or we can say 5 by 7. Now I have cos A, cos B, cos C. I have to find the ratio cos A is to cos B is to cos C. Cos A is 1 by 5, cos B is 19 by 35, cos C is 5 by 7. How to simplify ratio in fractions, please see. Look here carefully. Supposing it is 20 is to, say something 40 is to 100. Then we will write 1 is to 2 is to 5, dividing each by 20, 20, 1, 2, 5. Like this we can simplify. If there are integers, we don't have integers, we have got fractions. So how to simplify ratio in fractions, please see. Find out the LCM of denominators. I am writing here LCM of 5, 35 and 7 is 35. LCM you can find out by any method. 5, 35, 7 is 35. LCM is 35. Multiply each by 35. Look carefully. 1 by 5 into 35. 19 by 35 into 35. 5 by 7 into 35. Multiplying each fraction by the LCM. So cos A is to cos B is to cos C is equal to, this will give you 7, this will give you 19, and this will give you 25. Cos A is to cos B is to cos C, 7 is to 19 is to 25. A question of this type, please see here. Similar question I am writing. If A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 9, show that cos A is to cos B is to cos C is 14 is to 11 is to 6. Exactly similar question, in fact half of that. They have given A by 7, B by 8, C by 9, take lambda, A is equal to 7 lambda, B is equal to 8 lambda, C is equal to 9 lambda, substitute like this, you will get the answer. I am not solving this question, please solve. See, A is to B is to C, 2 is to root 6 is to root 3 plus 1, A by 2, B by root 6 and C by root 3 plus 1. So, A is equal to 2 lambda, B is equal to root 6 lambda, C is equal to root 3 plus 1 lambda. Look here. We have to find all the angles now. Let us proceed for any one. I am quoting this formula, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. B square root 6 lambda whole square, C square root 3 plus 1 lambda whole square, A square 2 lambda square. Two times B C. Understand, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. B square is root 6 lambda whole square, C square is root 3 plus 1 lambda whole square, A square is 2 lambda whole square by 2BC substituted. This is 6 lambda square, this is root 3 plus 1 whole square lambda square, and this is 4 lambda square. I have taken lambda square common. Understand, after taking lambda square common, root 6 whole square is 6, 2 whole square is 4 and root 3 plus 1 whole square I am going to expand now. This becomes, see here, 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 1 lambda square denominator, 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 1 lambda square. Cos A is equal to, this is 6, this is A plus B whole square, see A plus B whole square here, A square plus B square plus 2AB. I am going to write here, all that I cannot write, 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 1. Lambda square I have cancelled from numerator and denominator. 6 plus, this is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. So cos A is equal to, this is 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 1. Six plus 2 root 3, this 3 plus 1 4 has cancelled this 4, 6 plus 2 root 3 by 2 root 6 plus 1. Please see in the numerator I am taking 2 common, 3 plus root 3 by 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 1. Understand? 2 common, 3 plus root 3 divided by the same thing. This 2 will cancel. Here root 3 is common. Here root 6 into root 3 plus 1. Check up the work. In numerator, after cancellation of 2 root 3 is common, root 3 plus 1 denominator. This will cancel and giving you 1 by root 2. You can see this work here if you want. Root 3 into root 3 plus 1 by root 6 into root 3 plus 1. After cancellation of these two, root 3 by root 6 left out, which is 1 by root 2. Understand the simplification work. Cos A is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, cos A is equal to 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 is the value of cos 45. Therefore, one angle A is equal to 45 degrees. One angle you have got, A is equal to 45 degrees. You can use the same formula again or another way. Please see here. A is to B is equal to 2 is to root 6. Look here. I am taking only 2. A is to B is equal to 2 is to root 6. Which means A by B is equal to 2 by root 6. I have taken 2 of these. A by B is equal to 2 by root 6. And you know by proportionality property, this is sin A by sin B. Is equal to 2 by root 6. Understand? A by B, sin A by sin B, 2 by root 6. A is 45, you have just found out. Sin 45 degrees divided by sin B is equal to 2 by root 6. Cross multiply 2 into sin B is equal to root 6 into sin 45. Please watch cross multiplication carefully. 2 into sin B is equal to root 6 into sin 45. This is sin B is equal to root 6 into 1 by root 2. This 2 also I am shifting here. See carefully. 2 sin B is equal to root 6 into sin 45, sin 45 1 by root 2. And this is now sin B is equal to root 6 into 1 by root 2 into 2. Let us simplify here. 1 by root 6 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. This is root 6 into 1 by 2. Simplifying very easily, root 2, root 6 will cancel, root 3 left out, here 2 left out. See the simplification. Root 6 into 1 by root 2 into 2, this root 2 will cancel, root 3 remains 1 by 2, here root 3 by 2. So B is equal to 60 degrees. B is equal to 60 degrees. See the work. A is equal to 45, you have found out. B is equal to 60 degrees. C we are going to find out. Sin B is equal to root 3 by 2. sin 60 is root 3 by 2, hence B is equal to 60 degrees. We have found out the angles, A is equal to 45, B is equal to 60. Now you need not use any formula, please see. Angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 45 plus 60. Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. 180 minus 45 plus 60. This comes to, see here, this is 105, so 75 degrees. So the angles of the triangle are A is equal to 45 degrees, B is equal to 60 degrees, and C is equal to 75 degrees. This is your answer.